Start. Friends, we know that the police are one of the most important departments of the government which gets a good or bad name. In recent times, the police have been in the news. The decline in the prestige of the police and certain trends within the police and security forces are causing us much concern. We should act very quickly in the matter if we want to get back our glory. There are two things in a healthy society. They are a low rate of importance and a high rate of production. We have to deal with two sets of problems, those which rise development and those which are the results of old traditions. In the coming decades, political and economic pressures are likely to worsen, even though the governments are returned to power with a vast majority. There are forces which work against them. Agitations are made to divert government's ability to withstand the strain and stresses. These are major challenges to us. In some states, there were farmers' agitation. It is a well planned attempt on the part of the small section of people. The object of these efforts is to demand a higher price for their products. I must make a clear distinction here. There are really small farmers who cannot afford to bear the higher cost of living. We have to sympathize with their case. So far as the other farmers, the richer farmers, are concerned, they are making all sorts of attempts to obstruct the efforts of the government. They want to provide leadership to the somewhat richer agriculturalists and support their case. If we yield to their demands, the peace in the rural areas will be disturbed. We cannot agree to this. In towns and cities, we see attempts to bring trade union activities. Industrial employees are resorting to agitations, ignoring the needs of the rest of the country. The students, youth, and others made full use of any such disturbances. Nowadays, we see the students agitate against the increase in bus fares. They also attack police stations and they are also indulging in other such activities. The antisocial elements in society have also utilized the students to bring communal troubles. The widespread publicity for these incidents has done no good to the country or to the cause which they represent. This should be clearly understood by those who want the students to take part in these activities. To meet all these challenges, the police must have a high sense of direction and integrity. From the Inspector General of Police to the ordinary constables, the police must have a sense of purpose and responsibility. They must be effective, but it does not mean severe action. The results must be achieved through means which are democratic and which will be regarded as just and fair. I also find that the police seem to have great difficulty in knowing in advance who is a dangerous person and who is not. I made this remark in the previous conference and I am referring to it now. Of course, this is a difficult job for the police. I now refer to the security of the disguised visitors. It is not only a question of security, but it is a question of law and order. In this connection, we have to come to the conclusion that many of the crimes are committed by persons who are not poor. So, quick investigation and prosecution of cases is important. Delay will make matters much worse. We should also try to find out whether our personnel have any real problems to face. Letter dated 10th May 1980 from Lakshmi Motors Limited, Madras, to Messrs. Kumaran Traders, Palani. Sirs, we beg to acknowledge receipt of your letter of the 2nd instant. We have given a most careful consideration to what you have stated in your letter. We are very sorry to inform you that we are not in a position to accept your explanation for your long delay in paying our dues. We have to point out that this amount has been kept pending for a long time. In spite of our reminding you about this, you have kept silent for more than 2 years. We are sure that you know very well that those who are in the business line cannot wait for payments from their customer for such long periods. It is a matter for regret that you have not even acknowledged our previous letters over a period of more than a year. We would have appreciated if you had acknowledged our earlier letters and explained your problems in detail. Then we would have suggested to you ways and means by which you could get over your problems, and we would have assisted you to solve them. But you have not done this. It has complicated matters to a great extent. In the circumstances, it is for you to act quickly to avoid any legal action against you. We hope to receive your check by return of post. Yours faithfully. Stop.